In this section, we will talk about water safe to drink. Water, H2O, is a vital and useful resource. Actually, it has many different uses. For example, it's used in agriculture and in industry. It's an important raw material and it's used as a solvent or as a coolant. Water is also used for washing and cleaning, and of course, we don't have to forget drinking water. Actually, about 97% of the water on Earth is found in oceans, which is not potable water. So providing people with water which is fit to drink and safe to drink is a major issue all over the world. So potable water is water which is fit to drink. Rainwater falls to the ground, replenishing our supplies of fresh water in rivers and lakes. And then it seeps down through soil and rocks to underground sources of water which are called aquifers. Then fresh water will be obtained from these porous underground seams of rock by drilling a pipe down to form a water well. So rainwater will fall to the ground. It will replenish our supplies of fresh water in rivers and lakes. It will also seep down through soil and rocks to underground sources, and then fresh water can be obtained from these porous underground seams of rock by drilling a pipe down to form a water well. As the rainwater falls to the ground, it dissolves some gases from the air. And once it's in contact with solid land, it will dissolve soluble substances as it passes over them. And this means that water from natural sources will always contain dissolved minerals, salts, as well as microorganisms from soil and decaying matter. So water obtained from natural sources isn't pure water. It contains dissolved minerals and microorganisms. And of course, we have to pay attention to the levels of these impurities, which must be reduced to meet strict safety standards for drinking water. In the next tutorial, we will learn about the treatment of water from a reservoir to make potable water.